Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 Trendline in the medium wheelbase. This van comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The van also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging drive. Across the front of the vehicle we can take a look at the high roof option, as well as down below there is a chrome stripe across the radiator grille. The van also comes with front parking sensors dotted along the front bumper. The van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. To the rear of the vehicle there is a high-mounted rear view camera that provides a colour picture. This, paired with the rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the rear barn doors that come with the 270-degree hinges, there is a factory fresh load area, complete with a hardened wooden flooring as well as multiple lashing points. There is a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle, and the van also comes with a full steel black bulkhead. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there are 3 seats, a singular seat for the driver along with a twin-seater passenger bench. The middle seat can be folded down, providing 2 additional drinks holders as well as a support. The rest of the van comes with some excellent creature comforts such as USB-C outlets as well as 2 front heated seats. The vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system featuring App Connect as well as access to the DAB radio stations. The van also comes with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished and heated steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.